two of the most popular Linux distributions are about to go head-to-head. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one deserves a spot on your machine. In one corner, Fedora, backed by Red Hat and built for people who want tomorrow's software today. It is fast, modern, and never afraid to break a little tradition. In the other corner, Ubuntu, Canonical's flagship distro and the most famous name in Linux. It has powered beginners and server rooms alike for almost 2 decades. Fedora is the community distribution sponsored by Red Hat, and it doubles as the testing ground for future versions of RHEL. Whatever proves itself here often ends up in enterprise servers a year or two later. It lives right on the bleeding edge, shipping the newest Linux kernel and the newest GNOME desktop, often before anyone else. If a feature just landed upstream, chances are Fedora already has it. A brand new release lands every 6 months, so the whole system always feels fresh. You are never stuck waiting a year for the tools you actually want. Security comes baked in. SE Linux runs in enforcing mode by default, locking things down without extra setup. Most other distros leave this kind of protection off unless you turn it on yourself. Fedora also insists on staying free and open source, so proprietary codecs and drivers are left out by default. You can still add them, but the choice is always yours to make. Packages install through DNF, a fast and dependable manager with excellent dependency resolution. It quietly handles the messy details, so you rarely have to think about them. The result is a distro that feels like a preview of where Linux is heading next. If you like living on the edge, Fedora rarely disappoints. Ubuntu is Canonical's flagship distribution, built around a simple idea: Linux for human beings. It was designed from day one to be approachable, even if you have never touched a terminal. Long-term support releases arrive every 2 years and are backed by 5 years of updates, 10 with Ubuntu Pro. That kind of stability is exactly why so many businesses trust it. In between, interim releases show up every 6 months for anyone who wants newer packages sooner. They get 9 months of support, which is plenty for testing what is coming next. Software installs through apt, the classic package manager, or through Snap, Canonical's sandboxed universal packages. Snap trades a little speed for stronger isolation and automatic background updates. Its community might be the largest in the Linux world, meaning a tutorial or forum answer exists for almost any problem. Whatever you break, someone has probably already fixed it. Official flavors like Kubuntu and Xubuntu keep the same solid base with a completely different desktop on top. You get Ubuntu's reliability with whichever look and feel actually suits you. Ubuntu also happens to be the most widely used Linux distribution in the cloud, powering countless servers worldwide. There is a very good chance your favorite website runs on it right now. So how do these two really compare? Fedora ships new software fast. Ubuntu prefers to let it mature first before it ever reaches your machine. Fedora uses DNF, Ubuntu uses apt and Snap, 3 different ways to solve the exact same problem. All 3 get the job done, just with a slightly different philosophy. Fedora stays strictly open source, while Ubuntu is a bit more pragmatic about proprietary drivers and codecs. Neither approach is more correct, they are just built for different priorities. For beginners, Ubuntu's massive community often makes troubleshooting easier, while Fedora rewards users who like tinkering under the hood. Pick the one that matches how you actually like to learn. In the end, one favors innovation, the other favors stability, and neither choice is wrong. It really comes down to what you want from your computer. So which one should you choose? If you crave the newest tech and do not mind the occasional rough edge, Fedora is calling your name. If you want rock-solid reliability and the biggest safety net around, Ubuntu has you covered, today and for years to come. If this helped you decide, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and I will catch you in the next video.